everyone, welcome to Trading with Homely. This is weekly US market summary. Will Tesla hot again? So first, let's look at the banks sector. The first stock we want to talk about is FRC. As we all know, last week or last 2 weeks, bank stock dropped a lot. So from the chart, we can see now, so the price dropped for almost 1 week. We can still have the price haven't break a new low. So here is a strong support for the FRC from the daily chart. And what's more, so we can see now the MACD is nearly half the golden cross. So once the white line crosses the yellow line, that means for the short term, the FRC may have a rebound. Why? Because now the whole indicator is below the zero line. So the golden cross for MACD below the zero line is likely to have a rebound. Okay, and then what's more, we can see the volume of the FRC also decreased. So that means the trading volume or the people are scared to buy or sell. Okay, and then what's more, from the minutes chart, 30 minutes chart, we can see here got the divergence for the between the price and the indicator. So we can see here the price is a lower low, but we can see the indicator keeping lower high. So that means for short term or from mini chart also have a high opportunity for the FRC to have a short-term rebound. Okay, so this is about the FRC. So next one is about the index. So for the index, we can see from the daily chart. Okay, first we look at the trend. So from the trend, okay, we can see now the price is between the lower channel and upper channel. So that means now the bullish and bearish make even. So next Friday or next Monday is very important. That means once next Monday close with a bullish candlestick, that means bearish, the bullish is win. Okay, but once next Monday close with a bearish candlestick, that means the price may still will drop down again. Okay, and what's more, from the MACD, we can see here got the golden cross. But just now we mentioned the golden cross below the zero line is likely for the short-term rebound. But from the volume, here we can see the momentum. The high volume may have a turning point for the price. Okay, we use this high volume corresponding candlestick as a standard candlestick. So also the same, once the price break out, so the price will continue goes up. But once price break down, okay, the price will continue dropping down. Okay, so this is from the daily chart. But from the volume or the energy may rebound again. Why? From weekly chart, we can see now the price stand above the downtrend line again. So this is weekly chart. So from weekly chart, we can see now here got the strong support. Last week we mentioned about this, and then the price start to rebound. Now the closing price is back to the downtrend line again. So if next week still can close with a bullish candlestick, that means just from the medium term the price will goes up again. But we need to be careful for the short-term resistance here. Okay, so this is about SP 500. Next one is about the Dow Jones. So for the Dow Jones, we can say it's a little bit weaker than SP 500. Why? Because the price is still below the middle line of the Bollinger Band, right? And also the golden cross for the SP MACD of Dow Jones is a little bit weaker here. So that's why nowadays if we want to buy the individual stocks, I think for the traditional sector, a little bit weaker than the like SP 500 or Nasdaq. Okay, so from weekly chart we can see also got the same support here and close with a bullish candlestick. But from the weekly chart we can say it's a little bit weaker lah. Now is medium downtrend channel. So here is support. But once the price rebound to this level and cannot break, so the price will drop again. But if once the price break, okay, so there will be a further more uptrend momentum. Next one is about the Nasdaq. So we can say now the Nasdaq is stand above the middle line. Okay, that means it's stronger than SP 500 and Dow Jones. And what's more, here we can see the upper channel and the middle line start to upward turning. Also a signal for stronger index. And what's more, here we can see the MACD is above the zero line. Also means Nasdaq is stronger than the SP 500 and Dow Jones. And from the weekly chart, we can say also the same. We can say from weekly chart, the price almost, the closing price almost hit a new high here. But still cannot break the high price here. So also same, once next week, if the price break the resistance, we can see here we got the higher low and higher high. That means a new uptrend will start. Okay, so that's why just now we mentioned technology stocks may be a good choice for us to invest among the Dow Jones and SP 500. Okay, so this is about the index. Next one is about the stock. So the first one is Tesla. So for Tesla from the daily chart, we can see here. Now the price is running between the upper channel and the middle line. Also a signal for strong. Okay, so here we can say last time when the price break the middle line, is also a signal for us to buy for medium term. But now we can say after the price breakout and then the price correction for 3 days. But here we can see these 3 days the price still stand above the low price of this candlestick. That means it's stronger. Okay, so once later there will be a bullish candlestick and the volume increase may be a signal for next round. Okay, and what's more, here we can see the MACD golden cross is above the zero line. Also means this stock is a little bit stronger than other one. So we just need to wait whether later the price can hit a new high. So once the price can hit a new high, a short-term uptrend will appear here. Okay, so this is about Tesla. Next one is about NVIDIA. So for NVIDIA, we can say actually the price up a lot during the last 2 or 3 months, right? Is especially stronger among the Nasdaq. So why? First, we can say from the trend, the price is running about the middle line and upper channel. So this means the stock is strong. And what's more, we can see the MACD here is above the zero line. So the MACD we mentioned above the zero line means the stock is strong, right? But here we need to be careful for the short-term correction. Why? Here show us the top divergence for the price and the indicator. We can see here the price higher high, right? But the high point of the MACD is lower high. So before here, during this period, we can see the same phenomenon. We can see the price also higher high, but the indicator is lower high. So later we can see the price correction for more than 2 or 3 weeks, right? So here we need to also be careful. First support is around the middle line, but once the price break down the middle line, so for medium term, we need to decrease our position. Or if you trade for medium term, you buy here. Here you need to sell, right? And also for the high volume, here is a turning point. So we can use the low price of this high volume corresponding candlestick as a support level. Once price break, we also need to take profit for short term or medium term. Also, next one is AMD. We can see the same. For AMD, here is no divergence, but we can say also the price is higher high, but the energy or the momentum of the MACD is keep decreasing, right? Okay, so also when the price touch the upper channel, here is a signal for short-term correction. Here is also a top fractal, right? So the lines of MACD nearly that cross. So first, we can use a dead cross as a set signal. Second, we can use a middle line. So later, once price correction to the middle line got strong support, we can buy back. But once breakdown, we need to cut loss. So this is about some individual stocks. So if you want to learn more about the technical analysis and want to know more knowledge about the US market, maybe you can subscribe my YouTube channel because every week I will give a summary about the market and share you some method about the technical indicators. So if you like my channel or got any questions, you can comment or leave a message below. So thank you. See you next week.